Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video, class 6, chapter 5, natural numbers and whole numbers. We are on exercise 5A, 5, exercise 5A, question number 5 I have taught in the last video. Question number 6 we are not doing, it is cancelled, and question number 7 we will be seeing. So 8 plus 7 is 15. So which type of property it is? It is a closure property. Means when you add two whole numbers, I will get whole numbers. So x plus y is equal to x. When you add x and y, you get whole number x plus y. So this is a closure property. Second is 3 plus in bracket 5 plus 4 is equal to 3 plus 5 in bracket plus 4. That is associative property. X plus, we have discussed this before also. Then 8 multiplied by 8 plus 0 is equal to 8 multiplied by 8 plus 8 multiplied by 0. This is called as distributive property. Okay. Now what is this distributive property? Distributive property is when you open this into this plus this into this. That is called as distributive property. Opening of the bracket. Okay. So fourth is 7 plus 6 multiplied by 10 is equal to 7 multiplied by 10 plus 6. So same way distributive property, but from this side 10 multiplied by 7 plus 10 multiplied by 6. It is opening of the bracket. We had seen that before also. 2 into bracket x plus y. So 2 into x 2x plus 2 into y 2y. So this is distributive property only. And other type can be x plus y into 3. So 3 into x 3x, 3 into y 3y. The next is also distributive property in case of subtraction. This multiplied by this minus this multiplied by this. So 16 plus 0 is 16. That is additive identity. Okay, when you add 0 to any whole number, you get whole number only. And this is opposite, plus and minus. So this is inverse. Additive inverse. Okay, so this was very easy. Now we'll look here children, now we'll directly jump on exercise 5C. 5B we are not doing. 5A only two questions, question number 5 and question number 6. Sorry, question number 7. So you can see here question number 5 and question number 7, right? Question and 5C, 5B is cancelled completely. Let's go on 5C. So 5C you can see, you can solve this. This is homework. Okay, please, sorry, this is not homework, this is cancelled. Then question number 2. By rearranging the given numbers, evaluate means find out. Rearranging means do smart work. Okay. So let's see. Rearrange and evaluate. So 2 multiplied by 487 multiplied by 50. So 487 as it is, I know that when I multiply 2 with 50, I get 100. So it's always good to multiply these two to get 100 so that directly I can get the answer. So 2 into 50 gives me 100. So I have made group of 2 and 50 multiplied. This is multiplication multiplied by 487. So 2 into 50 into gives you 100 multiplied by 487. So you know this multiplied by this 487 multiplied by 1 487 and this 0 here. Okay. See the second one. Now, by looking at this, you should understand that if I multiply these two, I will get 100. 25 fours are, or 25 multiplied by 4 gives me 100. So, group of these two I can make and 444 as it is. Why I am doing it? To make my work more easy. So, 444 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 4. 25 fours are 100. This as it is. 441 ones are 444 ones are 444. And these two 0 0. Okay. Now here if you will see, $225 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 4. The way you want, you can group them. So I wanted 225 into 4, I'll get 900, and 20 into 50, I'll get 1000. Yes, 20 into 50, I'll get 1000. So 900 into 1000, 9 ones are 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 this one. 9 ones are 9. And this 2 plus 3, 5 zeros here. Okay. Now question number 3. You will see here question number 3. Use distributive law to evaluate. Now you know distributive law. Distributive law is solving the bracket. Okay. So let's see here. 984 multiplied by 102. Now I know how to expand 102. We have done it in lower classes also. Expansion, right from second, first standard you are doing that. So 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. This is called expansion, and this is called short form of this. So 100 plus 2. Now what distributive property says? This multiplied by 100. So 984 multiplied by, sorry I have eaten that step. For you I'll do it. So 984 multiplied by 100. This plus 984 multiplied by 2. Okay, so I am reopening this bracket. 984 multiplied by 100 plus 984 multiplied by 2. So 984 multiplied by 100 gives me 98400. This plus as it is, and 984 multiplied by 2 gives 1968. So this plus this is equal to this. What is important? You should know how to solve it. 984 multiplied by 100, you get 98400. 984 multiplied by 2 gives 1968, and this plus is this plus. Okay, I hope you understand that. So rest 2 I am giving homework. In this you can see 385 multiplied by 1004. So 1000 plus 4 I have written here. In this case 10,000 plus 2. Expansion of this also I have given. Okay, so just multiply this with this plus this with this. Okay, I hope you will be able to do that. So question number 3. Use distributive law. So question number 4, evaluate using properties. Okay, different properties. So 548 multiplied by 98. 548 multiplied by 98, I can write 100 minus 2. Right, distributive property I have used here. So 548 multiplied by 100 minus 2. 548 multiplied by 100. This minus 548 multiplied by 2. So this into this into this. After multiplication, this minus as it is. I hope you are understanding. This multiplied by this is this, and this multiplied by this is this, and this minus is this. Okay, subtract it and get the answer. Similarly 988, I can write 1000 minus 12. 1000 minus 12 gives me 988. I can expand this 988 as 1000 minus 12. 924 as it is. So 924 multiplied by 1000 gives me 9,24,000, and 924 multiplied by 12 gives me 11,088. Alright. So this minus this gives me this. Subtraction. Okay. Third one, you can take homework. So in this what I have done is I have taken 3023 inside the bracket and this outside to make my work little easier. Okay. This is homework. Go through it. I have solved it. Okay. So today you have got homework. So please complete it as soon as possible and revise. Okay. Thank you so much and take care.